Okay, so I like to start from here. So it says radiator, washer fluid reservoirs, caps, properly secured. Airlines, good conditions. Intake manifold, properly mounted to the engine. Oil filter, lines going in and out. Air brake compressor, because this is the one that fills the air for the air tanks for your brakes. This one right here, and it's actually gear driven. Next, we got the oil dipstick, oil receiver, steering column, knuckles. From there we go with the reservoir, power steering gearbox, pump, lines, pitman arm, castle nuts, cotter pins, splash guard. From there we got drag link, control arm, castle nuts, cotter pins, 3 supports, 1, 2, 3 on the back, leaf springs, U-bolts, got the spacers in between, and the front axle. And right behind it you got the tie rod. Next you got the frame, the few filter lines in and out, hydraulic shock absorber, brake chamber, airline, slack adjuster, push rod, brake drums, brake linings. The brake drums are 1/2, brake linings 1/4 material. Next, back, front and rim. Tire 432 inch of thread. Pilot lug nuts, air valve, axle hub seal, bolts, proper oil level, and tire pressure 80 to 100 psi. And the best time of all everybody misses, engine. Those are all the parts.